Hi, Hipper Duo.
Hello. Hello.
You have been working already for 2 weeks with your team, with Dora and Petr. How did the second week go?
Well, pretty good actually. I mean, of course, I guess it's the same for every team, but it's always tricky to find time where we can meet the 4 of us, in our case. But we managed, and I think everyone was a bit trying out his stuff. So we were not still like working the 4 of us on something, even though you'll see in the concept board that everything is linked. But so yeah, we were working yesterday evening. We tried to arrange a bit what we discovered, what we worked on, what we tried to develop, and tonight we'll have another meeting where we're gonna talk about the next steps. But it's going well so far, yeah.
Great. So let's switch to the concept board.
So that's our board.
It's probably the darkest board that we have this year, which is very nice. It's very contrast. So tell me more. Like, I see some new things. I see this person here. Is it me? Is it you? Is it what you're looking for?
Do we know? Am I here? Anyway, no, but I think we had different paths, like different directions we could go, coming from different definitions of Horos, and we tried to develop them in an experimental music or movements or whatever way. And here you can see a little bit like the extension of what we had last week, with new images or video or even stuff we did ourselves. And then we try to see where are the connections between everything we did. So that's why you see all these lines. So it's a little bit like a map. And I guess you have to go in there and then, maybe play. You see one video, you play it, and then you see that it's connected to another thing. So you go to this thing, and then everything is kind of related. So it's a little bit like a game. You can find a path in this map just to see in which directions we went, actually. I think there were 4 different experiments we tried. On the left side you see this phase with all the image. That's more what Dora did. And then she experimented these little videos that you have under, where we all tried to do one personal version, so you can all play them and see. And then you have
this is the idea of it was very personal to Dora's way of interpreting entering the room. So the faces also represent Dora's imagination, or everything she gathered as information about what she understands as the concept of Horos. And then more in the middle you have this weird Zoom room that I experiment a bit. I don't want to just say too much about it. In each room there's a sound that represents each of us. Has a weird effect on it, and this effect is caused by a failure, and the failure is Zoom. That's
nice.
All I can get. And it sounds cool.
In a lot of things we tried, also by just talking, on the internet and stuff, we noticed that because of bad connections and quality of the image and sound, and also when we use this app to do the little videos that I was talking about before, everything has, I mean, there's always problems, like technical problems, you know. the phone doesn't really like this app, or your connection is bad, and then we prefer to use these problems as inspirations for something artistic, instead of, you know, being angry about the system not working. So many of our experiments are based on errors and failure, actually. And here you are on the purple. Somehow we had a meeting without Gilles this time, and we were all having something purple. So that was just like a funny moment that we noticed, hey, and then we did, you know, we linked it to something. I mean, then I had fun to link it to all the purple things that were on our map. But, you know, we're experimenting there.
It's true. The technique is so advanced, but it's always something not working. And it was, even before Corona, it was like, if you do a piece with live electronics in the rehearsals, there is always some kind of a problem that somehow the computer is against you, or something happens, and all these delays and stuff. And it's true. It's very frustrating. But on the other hand, it's a really nice idea to try to use it for you, these problems and failure. So I really like your goal with it.
Julien did also an audio piece. Basically, he composed a piece out of some music he found it on YouTube, linked to YouTube search, Horos. So yeah, you can see it on the side. It's linked to all these images on the right side. Yes, exactly there. So I don't know where he's gonna go from that in the next week, but I think it's quite interesting to use completely aleatoric Google search or YouTube search or any kind of how do you call it? Internet search, and what you can find with it without putting, at the end he had to choose two of them completely by chance, and something end up out of it, something creative.
Thank you very much. It looks very, very exciting. I cannot wait to go and spend hours in looking into your board. I guess our audience as well. And yeah, so thank you very much for your time, and see you next week.